Alright guys, we're going to go back on the Polaris Pro X. I think I'll slide that little tunnel extension in further. It doesn't particularly matter, we'll just cut it to size basically. After it's all built, first thing I wanted to show you guys how to bend metal. So I got it marked right about there, a little black marker mark. Clamped together, nice heavy object. These are my pallet forks for my Cub Cadet Brindley sleeve hitch stuff. So basically, you start with a smaller hammer and never use a framing hammer to hit hard objects, which that's obviously not. A smaller hammer will move the material around less, like making it slip in the clamp. Obviously with this redneckery, that is an actual issue. Framing hammer, more dense, it'll move the sheet around less. Bigger hammer, less dense, more uniform bend. You can always come back, you can always go beyond, or I don't know, just an average of 90 and then come back and lay it on top and tap it straight. At any rate, that's our last bend. Almost perfect. And it'll be hidden under there. So it doesn't matter quite as much, but if you have some blacksmithing sense of body work and how material stretches and moves and so forth, you should be able to get your wrinkles to almost completely go away. So I might start with this. Get a little bit of a kink on down here, and then keep on moving in that direction. So let's put you right here, maybe in. Somewhere. Needs a little sanding now, I can't lie, but I'm not too upset about that. I think we've done well, so